Okay, I think we're ready on this match. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, does anyone have autonomous? No autonomous. Okay, we're gonna end autonomous early. We'll start teleop now. So autonomous really requires you to sit down and write a few lines of code. It's not very hard to write something to just drive forward. So definitely take the time and write that code. It's a good experience, even if you're not sure how to make your robot score points. So 7816 was able to score one cone on the mobile goal, so that's going to give them 2 points. .285A scores 1 mobile goal. It looks like they have a double mobile goal interface, so they can actually pick up 2 mobile goals at a time. It doesn't seem to work very well, though. They seem to be dropping that mobile goal fairly consistently. Okay, we got 2 mobile goals on red, 25 seconds left in the match. Somehow blue just scored the cone that they had already scored. I'm not sure how that happened. About 10 seconds left in the match. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the match.